Alright guys, good afternoon. Today I wanna fix a thermostat. I wanna replace a new one. This car is from my friend. So what I'm doing today is to drain a little bit coolant under the chassis. So there we go. Everybody, just going to drain this first. The coolant. This one and the adjustable rails. Like that. Alright. So that's it. Okay, and we need to open a little bit the radiator cap. So this is fantastic. I use the card of the kids because I don't have a pan, drain pan. Okay, let's close it. Just only a little bit. Drain. Okay. Okay, let's start to open the thermostat to replace a new one. One in here. So I use socket rims. I mean ratchet handle with extension bar and 8 for the markings for alright. So by the way guys, don't forget to close the negative battery to make it sure there's nothing to short. Alright. Alright, there we go. So that is the thermostat. That is the brand new, I mean the old one. So we need to replace a new one. Alright, here we go. Okay, this is the old one. According to the diagnostic, my diagnostic, this is the one thermostat failure. So my friend ordered the new one. Yes, this is the replacement, but I don't know. It's so we have the situation now. Just different things. Is the original is the bigger one than the replacement. The replacement is small, but this is not good for the Explorer because this is very small. So alright, I got a new one now, a replacement from Carcass in Malan. Alright, there we go. That's it. And the O-ring, it's like that. Okay. Alright. Put it back. Just remember the bolt. I have a markings. One in here. One. This is two. This is number 3. All right. Tied it. Just remember some markings. All right. All right, that's it. Done. So we need to put coolant. Alright, so we're done now. That's the starting. And that's the new thermostat. So we replaced. So it's nothing leaking. That's a replacement thermostat. So that's it. Alright. Okay, that's all we're done. Alright, thanks for watching.